Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your ConvertKit account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add an admin user into your ConvertKit account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add in an admin or a user into your ConvertKit? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you can't be everywhere at once. So sometimes you're going to need to add in a VA or an assistant into your ConvertKit to help manage it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ConvertKit dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ConvertKit account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a user into your account, what you're going to do is click right here on the top right. It's going to be your username. Once you click there, you will see a drop-down menu and you want to click on this button here called Setting. Okay, once you do that, you will see a little bit more information about your ConvertKit account. However, in order to add an admin user, here on the left side, you want to scroll down until you see this button here called Team. It looks like three little people together. Once you click there, you will see all of your team members, admins, users that you have inside of your ConvertKit. You can see it's just me in this account. However, in order to invite an admin, click on this button here, Invite a Team Member. Okay, so in order to add an admin, you need to put their name, their email address, and it should be their correct email address because they will need to receive the invitation and accept the invitation. And then you need to choose, do you want them to be an admin or an editor? So the difference is here. Basically, the admin can do everything that you can in the account. However, an editor can do everything except for change account settings like what we're doing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in a new user now. Okay, I entered in their information. I'm going to click on invite. Okay, next the screen refreshes. Now you can see the person that we were adding as an admin into our ConvertKit. Their account is actually pending. So it's going to be pending until they accept the invite in their email. So make sure that they check their email and then click on the link to go ahead and get access to be an admin or a user or editor team member in your ConvertKit. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or an editor into your ConvertKit, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.